Welcome back, viewers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the realms of digital marketing, unraveling its power, significance, and innovativeness. So, buckle up and join us as we dive deep into the captivating world of digital marketing. Section 1. Understanding digital marketing. Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, encompasses a vast array of strategies and techniques aimed at promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels. These channels include search engines, websites, social media platforms, email marketing, and much more. In essence, digital marketing harnesses the power of the internet to connect businesses with their target audience. Section 2. Key components of digital marketing. Within the realm of digital marketing, several key components propel its effectiveness. First and foremost, search engine optimization (SEO) plays a pivotal role in enhancing online visibility. By optimizing website content, structure, and user experience, businesses can increase their search engine rankings organically, ultimately driving more traffic to their platforms. Let's not forget the incredible influence of social media marketing. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn have become virtual marketplaces, allowing businesses to engage and build relationships with their target audiences. Tailoring content to suit different platforms and demographics is key, resulting in increased brand awareness, customer loyalty, and ultimately sales. Section 3. The power of content marketing. Amidst the dynamic digital landscape, the power of content marketing cannot be overlooked. By creating compelling, valuable, and shareable content, businesses can captivate their audiences and establish themselves as experts in their respective fields. Engaging blogs, videos, infographics, and podcasts, when strategically deployed, forge strong connections with consumers, driving conversions and building brand loyalty. Section 4. The role of email marketing. While some may argue that email marketing is past, this highly personal and targeted approach remains an invaluable tool for marketers. Nurturing customer relationships, fostering loyalty, and driving conversions are all within the grasp of a well-crafted email marketing campaign. Proper segmentation, personalization, and automation can yield astonishing results, especially when paired with other digital marketing strategies.